Hi there, this is Josh at shaystation.co.uk and I'm here to talk to you about the Oakley Pacific range for sailing and fishing. The first one I'm going to talk to you about is the Oakley Pacific range for sailing. This particular style I have here is the Oakley flat jacket, and this comes with the deep blue polarised lens. Polarisation is obviously perfect when you're out on the water. Any reflections that bounce off the water straight up into your eyes, a polarised filter is going to cut that out, so you're not going to see any of that. It has a 17% light transmission, which can be used for very bright light, a neutral contrast, so clarity is going to be perfect when out on the water. This particular style of the flat jacket has the O-matter frame. This particular material floats, so if you were to drop them in the water, you do have a chance at rescuing them. It has the unobtainium ear socks and nose pieces, which when get wet will stick to your face more, so they will stick to your face quite well. Also, they have the interchangeable lenses, so if the light was to go down and the sun was to go in behind the clouds, you could always switch the lenses around and put in a different lens to accompany that light. I'm just going to quickly pop them on my face so you can see what they look like. Secondly, I'm going to talk about the Oakley straight jackets. I have them right here. This particular pair is from the active range, so it doesn't come with interchangeable lenses, but you do still get the deep blue polarised lens. It means you still get your 17% light transmission and your neutral contrast. You'll also see that it's also made out of the O-matter material, which we looked at on the flat jackets. That means it will still float if you drop them in the water, but it means it's extremely lightweight. You also get Oakley's 3-point fit, which means it will only touch your head and your face, behind the ears and on your nose. And in regards to that, you also get the unobtainium ear socks and nose pieces, just for that bit of extra grip. I'm just going to pop them on my face so you can see what they look like. Okay, the third one I'm going to talk to you about in the sailing range is the bottle rocket. I have them here in front of me. As you can see, they also have the interchangeable lenses, so you can easily slip them out and change them around. You also have the O-matter frame, which we've talked about, very lightweight, will also float. And you also get the unobtainium ear socks. On the bottle rockets, you don't actually get unobtainium on the nose piece, but you do get it on the ear socks, which means it's going to stick to your head really nicely. This particular style of the bottle rocket is a bit smaller than the rest of the sports performance range, but will still fit most heads just fine. I'll just pop them on my head now so you can see what they look like. Okay, lastly, the last one in the Oakley sailing range I'm going to talk to you about is the pitbull. I have them here in front of me. This particular one looks like a lifestyle piece, but it's actually part of the active range. It's like the rest of the active range. It has the O-matter frame, which is very lightweight and floats. Also has the unobtainium ear socks and nose pieces, which we talked about. It means it's going to stick to your head really nicely. This particular lens also has the deep blue polarised, but in this case they are hydrophobic and oilophobic. That means any water or oil that gets on the lens is just going to instantly ball up and roll off. So you can never have water or oil on your lenses. I'm just going to pop these on my face so you can see what they look like. Okay, so now we've looked at the sailing range, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the fishing range. This particular style I have here is the Oakley bottle rocket. Like the other styles of bottle rocket, it has the O-matter frame, which is extremely flexible and durable. Also floats and is extremely lightweight. This particular style has the unobtainium ear socks also, which will grip your head, which makes wearing these extremely comfortable. This one comes with the shallow blue polarised lens, which is slightly different than the deep blue polarised. It has a 20% light transmission, so instead of using it for very bright light, it can be used for medium to bright light. Just gives you that bit more coverage when out fishing. It also has a high contrast lens, so clarity through these is going to be perfect. You can also use the deep blue polarised lens for fishing if you wish, but the Pacific one designed for fishing by Oakley is the shallow blue polarised, so if you were a hardcore fisher, this would be the one you want. I'm just going to pop this style on my face so you can see what they look like. Okay, so that's everything for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope to see you out on the water soon.